you guys. So welcome YouTube, welcome Instagram. You're down here, YouTube's up here. Just wanted to do both. So we're gonna share food haul today because I know you guys love when I do a grocery haul for some reason. I don't know what it is about healthy eating tips or whatever, but I wanted to show you guys what I bought. I spent like 125 bucks at Save On, so you know that's what happens when you're eating well and I have a problem with food. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the grocery store. There's some healthy, some not healthy. It's just what happens. I don't know what to tell you guys, but anyway. Okay, so I usually try and meal prep Sundays so I have enough food for the week. So I got a bunch of different stuff. So first thing I got, I have to like double show because we're like doing two things at once. So sliced turkey meat. I usually make sandwiches on the weekend just because it's a lot easier to do sandwiches than it is to make a bunch of food. So sliced meat, I prefer to make like actual chicken breast and like eat like chicken breast sandwiches, but it works, so whatever. So turkey meat is always good for like really fast on the go food. And then I buy packs of chicken from Save On. So this is the free range chicken that is usually it's about $12. So you get like 4 to 5 breasts. I always buy this. People say, oh, it's so expensive, go buy Costco, but I don't Costco shop. I like free range, free run meat, non-antibiotic meat. So I try to stick with Save On for that kind of stuff. So yeah. I went to Staples and look at this sweet and salty kettle corn. I've not tried this Boom Chicka Pop. I love Boom Chicka Pops. So if you guys haven't tried this, it is the greatest stuff ever. So that's gonna be my bad snack for later. But so veggie wise, I bought sliced mushrooms, which are good for like, I saute vegetables usually every Sunday for like the week of work or like for meals in the week. So I love to have sliced sauteed mushrooms, so good. And then I usually try to buy like some kind of mixed veggies, carrots, broccoli, snap peas. So I kind of make like stir fry meals, I would say most days. Like I probably do like rice, chicken, and veggies 5 days of the work week, which sounds boring, but I always do different veggies. So it kind of keeps it like unique and different. So I like doing that. Southwest salad. The salad is so good. If you guys haven't tried it, oh my God, delicious. It's like Southwest chopped salad kit. So it comes with like the dressing and it's got cilantro in it and it is freaking delicious. Although prep salads are usually really expensive, but it's nice for, you know, changing it up, staying healthy. Next thing I bought was kale. So I like to put kale into my smoothies, or even if I run out of veggies in the week, I can just like throw the kale into like my mixed thing with rice and whatnot. So it's like dripping the entire time I was like shopping and Save On. It's like dripping water everywhere. So kale is always a good thing to just have to throw in smoothies or to just have like add green to your meal. So it's like good fiber, good like nutrients and vitamins and minerals. So anything green you can add into your diet is super healthy for you. Then I bought 2 cucumbers because I'm craving cucumber and I'm gonna make rice cakes for like rice cake things for breakfast or like toast things for breakfast. I'll tell you guys about that in a second. What else did I get? So everything bagel or everything flavored crispy mini rice cakes. These are brand new. I have not seen them before. I'm so excited. They sound delicious. Rice cakes are really convenient if you don't want to be eating a lot of carbs, so like a lot of bread and stuff, because bread can be pretty processed and be very heavy in like your stomach and your gut. So I find that rice cakes are a nice alternative to doing that. So if you guys like rice cakes, or if you think you don't like them and you haven't tried my amazing salmon cucumber thing on rice cakes, you should definitely try it out because it's the best. So I'll talk about that. I also bought organic, just like plain ones, because the plain ones I like to use for everything, but I also like putting peanut butter on them. I do like peanut butter, bananas, cinnamon. So it's a really good healthy snack, just like if you're feeling munchy, instead of like reaching for, you know, junky stuff like this, because, you know, but I just did both. It's okay. So those are good for just peanut butter. Okay, my freaking kale is like making everything wet. Hi, Kale. Just pause, interlude for a second, guys. By the way, do you like my new kitchen? Isn't it beautiful? Yes, lovely. So that's the alternative for regular rice cakes with peanut butter. I use those and I use toast, or I might try using these everything rice cakes. But what I do is I buy like sockeye, like frozen salmon, like the raw stuff. And I put this on my either rice cakes or toast in the morning, and I make like a breakfast meal with it essentially, or even a snack is good too. And then I buy lactose-free cream cheese. So I'm not the greatest with dairy, so I like to do the lactose-free and put that on my rice cake or my toast. And then I add salmon, and then I add cucumbers on top of that. So it's like a really yummy snack. It's super delicious. So there's that option. You know, sexy freezer bags are in like the view. Look at you guys getting like the nice view of the freezer bags. Freezer bags are so fun. What else did I buy? Strawberries. So strawberries are on sale like $2.99 right now. Great deal because I love strawberries like in summertime when they're a good price and they're actually like in season. In the winter they're just like weird and gross and processed. So not a fan. Gluten-free bread. So I do gluten-free bread. I don't eat a lot of gluten. I eat some, but not very much. So yeah, gluten-free bread is kind of like my go-to for everything. I don't really eat regular bread at all. The only gluten I really have is like I'll cheat on like donuts and stuff like that sometimes, but like it's very, very rare, and I'm very specific about what I actually cheat with. So then I bought Pacific Snapper fillets. I really like Snapper. I found it at Save on Fresh one time, and it was on sale for like $2 a fillet, and these were on sale for 10, so it was like 3 to 6 portions for $10. So it breaks to about the same because they didn't have any fresh stuff. So I bought that. It's good for like mixing it up in the week because I tend to eat chicken all week, and chicken gets really, really boring if you eat it every day. So I like to mix it up with seafood and have a kind of a balance. These AHA waters, if you guys have not tried these, they are so good. I love bubbly, but these are even better. This one is peach and honey, and this one is blueberry and pomegranate. So if you're trying to break a soda habit that you might have, sparkling water is the best way to do it because it's got flavor, but it has no sugar and no calories, and it's not bad for you at all. It's actually hydrating. So I recommend if you're trying to get away from pop, sparkling water is the way to do it. Okay, what else did I get? There's so much food. I bought whole kernel corn in a can. So I buy organic corn because I try to buy mostly anything canned or jarred organic. And I do that because I don't like that they put calcium chloride into canned goods. So I believe that it is super important to pay the extra $1 or $2 to get organic stuff. And if you shop around, you can get really, really good deals on organic stuff. So I always buy my stuff usually at Superstore because their organic, like hippie aisle I call it, has the best and most affordable organic stuff you can get. And it's way better for you. So yeah. And the last things I got, so spinach. I always buy a huge pack of spinach. I eat one of these about every week. I put it in my smoothies with my berries. I love spinach so much. It's like my favorite green to eat. I could like eat it by the handful. It's like disgusting and weird, but I put like about 2 cups in my smoothie every morning. I make like a NutriBullet smoothie, so good to have that there. And then the last thing I got was little tip for you guys. If you want to buy nuts and you want to be able to eat them affordably, go to Save On and buy them in the baking aisle. They are like little packets, but they're so good. So I buy the whole almonds. I bought 2 packs. They're like $2.53 a bag. So you get a full cup in here, I think. Yeah, 1 cup per bag. So I bought 2 almonds, just really good snacks for when like you're feeling munchy or you're like at work and you just want to keep eating. I really like eating nuts because they're super good for fiber, super good for good fats, as long as you don't eat like a whole pack. Like you don't want to be over consuming and overeating too much nuts. And they're also going to keep you full because fats help to keep your body full of food. So yeah. And that's for like any nut. Every nut has like a different, I guess, benefit, but they all kind of have the same in general benefits, but some have different minerals and zinc and yada, 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 right? Whatever. So I bought walnut pieces because I sometimes make like a trail mix of my own, like with cranberries and whatnot. And then, oh yeah, I bought two walnut packs. So yeah, super good. I think that's all I got. You know, only $125 later, guys. But that's kind of the gist of what I grocery shop for. This is pretty average for me. Like I don't usually buy, you know, junk food very often, or, you know, it changes every week. I try to make things different and make meals a little bit unique so you're not kind of doing the same old kit and caboodle. The only other thing I bought was I went to Staples and bought a mouse. It's so cute. It's pretty and pink. Isn't it pretty and pink? Love it. So yeah, so that is my grocery haul for today. Let me know, you guys, if you enjoy seeing what I'm shopping for and what I'm buying. And I'm so happy that my kitchen is well lit and there's no hanging lights, so I can actually film videos in the kitchen of what I'm eating and making and doing and all that stuff. So if you're watching on YouTube, be sure to like this video and subscribe down below if you want to join the Sharway crew. And of course, thanks for watching Instagram Live, friends. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoy these kind of videos and if you have any questions. Okay, I will talk to you guys in the next YouTube video, in the next live.